Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel GoodRx Gold membership. I'm going to show you how to cancel it in your mobile app or in website. So first you need to do is open up your GoodRx mobile app and then go to account settings as shown in this image. So simply open up your mobile app and then click on this setting button at the bottom, and after this simply click on this GoodRx Gold option. Once you do that, it will show you this screen. From here simply select on Gold family option, and then here you will need to click on this cancel my gold plan option, and your gold plan membership will be cancelled. So that's how you can do in mobile apps, but let me show you how to do it in your website also. So first thing you need to do is open up this URL and then log in your account. After this simply click on this drop down menu button and then select account. After this simply click on this plan information. Once you do that, you will be able to see this button cancel my gold membership. So simply click on it and then simply click on yes, cancel anyway, and that's how you can cancel your GoodRx Gold membership. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.